Hey, this is Rob from MGYB. I just want to create this short tutorial on how to set up an AWS Amazon user account. First thing you're going to do, go to aws.amazon.com, say sign in. And you're going to put in your email and password. I've already been signed in here, so I don't have to retype my email. So I'll go ahead and sign in. And then when you get here, you're going to services, and then this IAM, and go here to users, add user, and you're going to want to have a little notepad open. So I went ahead and opened a little notepad file because you're going to want to jot down some of this information. So anyway, so for user on this one, it's going to be MGYB test. I'll use that for the username. So copy that, put that in my little notepad file for username. And then I'm going to pick management console access, so then enable a password. So click on this, custom password. So here it will just be MGYB, custom. You can use whatever. You just got to make sure what you put here is what you give us. I'm just using these as examples. So I'm going to copy that password and put it in my little notepad file. Password B. And then here for require password reset, uncheck that. So that we don't have to force into another password when we log in. So then hit next. And then for permissions, you're going to go to attach existing policy directly. You're going to put S3 and select that there. And then under submission or the set permission boundary, you're going to pick this use a permission boundary. And down here, you're also going to pick S3. Basically what that's doing, that's just ensuring that this user can only ever get this permission. So then hit next. We don't care about tags. Next. So then what we're going to do is now just create user. So now the user has been created. What you want to do is you want to copy this URL right here. So now we're going to copy that, put that into our little notepad file, paste that. So now you have the URL, username, and password. So now you can close this. As long as you copy those, hit close. So here's the little trick. For some reason, you've got to now open up this user. So if you're here on the user, click on the user you just created, go to security credentials, go to console password right here, and click manage. And then for set password, we're going to go here to custom password again. And I'm just going to, instead of typing it, but I'm going to copy this. So copy. And I'm going to paste in the password. So you show password MGYB custom. For some reason, you have to go through and set the password from here, because when you just do it on that first screen, sometimes it doesn't set itself. So I'm going to hit apply. So now we're done with this user. So now I've set up a user, and what they have is S3 full access. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to log out. So I'm going to sign out of my account so I can test my new account here. So I'm going to go to this URL. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it up here. Enter. And you can see what that does is it puts in this account ID. So each of us have a unique account ID for this one. It gives you an account ID. And then for the username, so we're going to go back here to username. I use this as MGYB test. I'm going to copy that, put that for the username. And then I'm going to go here to the password, copy that, password here, and sign in. So now as you can see, I'm signed in under this MGYB test account at the Amazon account that the root owner's Amazon account with this username. So now from here, I can go into the S3 bucket and do everything that we need to do. So that's what you have to do to set up a user account. And then what you'll do is you'll take this URL, username, and password, and you'll submit those when you want to give access to your AWS account, and you can control the access of what they see. So if you have any questions, just reach out and we can help as best we can. Thanks.